Today on my show of what I'm going to talk about on my show today is I'm going to do a food review of what I bought at Safeway today. I'm going to do a review on Pop-Tart Splits, Frosted Strawberry, and Drizzled Cheesecake. And this is what the box looks like. And it's another flavor of Pop-Tart Splits. And I'm going to open it and do a taste test review. And now I open it. So, like this side is Frosted Strawberry and the other side is Drizzled Cheesecake. Now I'm going to do a taste test. And I did a taste test of Pop-Tart Splits, Frosted Strawberry and Drizzled Cheesecake. And my review opinion of what I thought about that Pop-Tarts brand, I thought both of the flavors tasted really good. It's not a bad flavor at all, unless if you have a Pop-Tarts flavor of Frosted Strawberry or Drizzled Cheesecake. And if anyone's a huge fan of Pop-Tarts and they're trying to look for another taste test of Pop-Tart Splits, then I would easily highly recommend it. You should try this next flavor out. And I think you might be able to look for it at your local grocery store. And I also want to make this episode today for people who enjoys Pop-Tarts. And I also like Pop-Tarts too. And that's all for my show today. And make sure to comment below and tell me, in your own opinion, is what did you think of Pop-Tart Splits of Frosted Strawberry and Drizzled Cheesecake and why? Or you can comment below and tell me what's your favorite Pop-Tart flavor and why. Don't forget to subscribe and click like on the bottom below if anyone enjoyed my episode today. And that's all from my show today, and see you next time.